Hi, I'm Dr. Cath Briggs. I'm a local GP at Brackendale Medical Centre in Stockport, and I wanted to talk to you today about self-care. Self-care is really important to every one of us. It's about how we look after ourselves and how we keep ourselves healthy. There's different ways that we can do that, each one of us, whether we're well and wanting to stay well, or whether we have long-term conditions and are trying to keep ourselves at the best or the most healthy we can be. There are certain things that we can do that help us stay healthier and look after ourselves better, and it's just really important that all of us take steps towards looking after ourselves and think about what we can do. For some people that might be stopping smoking, for others it might be drinking a little bit less, for others it might be swapping some less healthy foods for different food options, but each one of us can do something that helps us stay that little bit healthier. There's also thinking about exercise as well, and things like getting flu jabs and making sure we have well-stocked cupboards to prevent or to treat ourselves when we're not feeling at our best. I think it's really important that we talk about people with long-term conditions as well, with diabetes, with asthma, with chronic lung conditions, and with heart disease. It's just as important that people think about the things they can do to be as healthy as possible. And again, it's about looking at what's available and becoming experts in our own conditions and in our own health. We only see health professionals for a small proportion of our lives, and actually the rest of the time it's up to us to look after ourselves. And so it's just really important that we look at what's available to help us understand our conditions and to look after ourselves better. In terms of things that we can do, there's written information available through most of our doctors' surgeries and pharmacies, but there's also online information that we'd recommend. And in Stockport we've got a really valuable tool called Healthy Stockport, which you can Google online and find information about individual conditions, but also about local things that you can be doing, about walks and about public spaces that you can go to exercise. And so I just think it's really important for each of us to be thinking a little bit more about this, and I just urge people to look at Healthy Stockport and think about that. So just in signing off, I want to wish everyone good luck in looking after themselves and in that self-care option, but also to think about, as we're approaching winter, thinking about flu jabs and thinking about making sure we do have that healthy stock cupboard. And I just really urge everybody to be thinking that little bit more about what we can do to keep ourselves healthy.